Alright, next up, excuse me, try this 2008 Topps Rookie Progression. Got a little bit of glare there, but you can see it. Let's see what we can get off this 2008 class. See if we can get some nice rookie signatures in here. Get 2 autographs and 2 relics on average per box here. Nab, Manning, Ed Reed, MJD. It's a nice card, number 2/389, gold. Mike Hart. Hi. Oh, Dante Culpepper, star. Willis McGahee and Chester Taylor, $3.99. That's going to be the average for these bronze ones. And LaVelle Hawkins. Oh, let's see, DJ Hall, Matt Hasselbeck, little Larry Fitzgerald legend card. Let's see what these are numbered to. 199, decent looking card there. Steve Slayton, rookie. Oh, Sean Alexander, Ron Dane. Oh, Earl Bennett, nice rookie of Earl Bennett here. It's not numbered. Show you that. It's not on card. It looks like it might be, but there you go. You can see the glare of the cover there. Carson Palmer, legend. Not numbered. Matt Forte, rookie. There's one auto. This pack feels thick. Might have been in here. Maybe a patch. We'll see. Ben Roethlisberger. We got a hit in this one. Owen Daniels. Mark Bulger. And we have a dual jersey card of... Ooh, that's okay card right there. Show you. Marcus Griffin from Texas. And Thomas DeCoud. Number 25. See if I can get you this number here. 25 there's a little glaring. Oh, this is a double relic in here actually. Oh, that's a nice card. Wow, this is a surprise hit here. You got your Peterson and LaDainian Tomlinson. So you got AP and LT numbered 250. Very nice. 21 of 50. LT's number. Well, there's 2 relics in one pack. That's very nice pack right there. We're down to 1 auto left in this box. Hopefully they throw in some bonuses. We hit those pretty fast. Steve Young, Plexico, Burton, and there's the John David Booty, Senior Bowl rookie, numbered 2/199. He's not doing nothing but backing up in the NFL right now, but nice looking card nonetheless. Might have a hot box. We got 3 relics and 2 of them are duals already. Kellen Clemens, Chris Chambers. Well, there's a Eric Ainge rookie auto. Not numbered. Eric Ainge rookie auto. Fred Davis. And another John David Booty. Alright, so we've got 2 dual relics, single relic, and 2 2 autos already in this box, which is pretty surprising. Oh, Derek Ward, Chad Pennington, Chad Johnson, Fred Taylor veteran card, not numbered. So we got 5 hits in this box. I don't think they're gonna be grateful enough to give me more than that, but here's hoping for it. Dwayne Bowe, Ronnie Brown, Doris Jackson, another Carson Palmer veteran to 389, Chard Mendenhall. Gaines Adams, RIP Gaines. Fred Taylor, Kurt Warner, recently retired. Clinton Portis, veteran, not numbered, into Chard Choice rookie. One feels pretty thick though too. Might have a hot box. Nope, just a normal card. Marcus Trufant, OC, Jason Witten, Drew Brees veteran, nice card to have right about now. He's in the Super Bowl. And Henderson rookie card. I threw that Dante off the side, especially I'm going to burn that. I'm a Lions fan, and just too bad for him that he's on our team. Jericho Cotchery, Kevin Curtis, Joe Montana, base. Legend Peyton Manning's not numbered. So I got Peyton and Drew Brees. And Highsmith rookie. Bob Sanders, Tony Romo, Jamal Lewis, another Carson Palmer veteran to 389. I got 3 of those numbered 389. Might as well just collect them all. And Colt Brennan, rookie. Well, we got 1 extra hit out of this box. Can't complain about that. That AT-LT box or hit was very nice. Antonio Cromartie, Steven Jackson, Washington, another Carson Palmer veteran. I was not kidding about collecting those all. And Tracy Porter, rookie. Ike Hilliard, Santonio Holmes, Jared Allen for the Chiefs. Brandon Flowers, nice rookie card here. It's going to be